everybody. Today we're going to talk about bringing the joy and emotion back into things that you are doing. In the law of attraction, we need to be able to feel the emotion, the joy of bringing something into our lives. That is what we're after, is the feelings to manifest, because that's really what we're after. What that thing that we want will bring us the feelings of. What would money feel like if you had it and didn't have to worry anymore about paying your bills or buying groceries or getting the clothes your children need? It would feel fantastic. It would feel like freedom. You could just go in a store, get what you need, and take care of business. Freedom is a wonderful feeling. Same with anything else. What would a new car feel like? It would feel like awesome. What would it smell like? What would your feelings be like with it? What would it feel like to sit in it and just relax and know that you're safe in that car? It's beautiful. You want to keep it clean and everything. You just have a really, really good feeling about it. But that's what we want to bring out. Sorry, that's my computer. Is our feelings for the things that we want to manifest. We're after the feelings. And writing down what you want and everything, that's great. Oh, yes, if you're trying to manifest a new job, what would that feel like? That'd feel amazing to have a new start in a new career or job or whatever it is. But yeah, this will be a short video. Just try to concentrate on the feelings, the happiness, the joy, the just immense feelings that something brings to you while you're thinking about manifesting it. And work on that and allow yourself to feel them. Feel the joy and everything before you see it in your life. This is key, because we all know once we get something, we're on to something else. So you're really after the feelings, the joyfulness, the happiness, the freedom feelings and everything. With that, I'm going to leave you with this and just say Merry Christmas. We're getting really close to Christmas. Today is my son's 37th birthday, my oldest son. And I had him when I was 18, so my birthday's around the corner. I'll be 56. And we're just celebrating any way we can, just to have a good time. I love you all. God loves you all. God bless you all. And have a fabulous day. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much. Bye for now.